What's up, everybody? Hope everybody's had a good week so far. It's the last time I posted. Been busy with life and waiting on parts more than anything. We got injectors heading this way. We actually got some of the SoCal billet injector hold down clamps. We got some stuff from Merchant for our return lines, the gaskets for those. We have quite the mess that needs to be cleaned up. Good grief, just all over the place. So I think before I do anything, I need to clean this place up. This is just a obliteration. So before we do anything, I think we need to just go ahead and reset, start from zero before we get into another task. Like I said before, we got these billet hold down clamps right here. Really nice. A lot of you might think that this is completely overkill, but you know, it is what it is. I want to take all the precautions that I can, eliminate all the weak links that we can, and just be done with it. Got these return lines. These are for coming out of your injector right here from Merchant. You got your banjo clamps, got 3 of those. This is for the other side. These are one side a piece, you know. So that'll do us. Like I said, we're gonna be doing a little cleanup job here. I'm not gonna video all that. Y'all don't wanna watch it, so I'll check back with you whenever we actually start back into a project of some sort. So check y'all later. Here we are now. Got a little bit of it cleaned up. Got some wiring harness back on it now. Still waiting on our injectors. They'll be here shortly, before too long. Got these. Put a couple of new fuel lines on. That's not a OEM thing. It's from a roll, a fuel line. So it's slowly getting there. It's a stinking wiring monstrosity of crap show. It's getting there. here we're putting our O-rings on our injector cups, just killing time until our injectors come in. Just thought I'd at least show you this too. We're not going to be putting our cups in the head right now. I'm going to be waiting until we get our injectors in, just due to the fact of whenever I do put Loctite on the injector cups, I will be putting the injectors in with them at the same time. This, in my mindset, I think this is going to be the best way of doing it. Don't put them in and just go straight to torquing your injector down and think it's just all fine and dandy. No, I'm not going to do that. What I'm going to do is set the injector in with the cup, of course, with the regular Loctite, and have the rings all lubed up and everything. And from there, we're just going to put a light, very light-handed torque on it, if you will. We're going to let it sit for 24 hours before we go and actually torque down the injector in the cup. I think you need to at least give that Loctite time to set up before you do anything crazy. Just for insurance, this might be, again, overkill, but you know what? We're going to do it anyway. So I appreciate you guys stopping by and checking out the video. Please like, subscribe, share, comment, whatnot. Appreciate it, and I hope you all come back whenever we get another video up.